Hello students. Now we are starting a new chapter, that is a new topic. The first chapter, that is called data frame. Again, it is a part of pandas, and that pandas means the final data structure. Basically, previously we have studied series, and series is a one-dimensional array. That means single line can hold it, and single location hold it, and single location access it in case of series. But in case of data frame, it's a two-dimensional. Two-dimensional means one is column and another one is row. That is two-dimensional. So that's why it is called. It is a two-dimensional object that is useful in representing data in the form of rows and columns. So this overall thing is column, and this is the value. And in case of again the column name and column value. The same thing. This is called row, and row. So it is similar to a spreadsheet or on a SQL table. It is just like similar. In previously we have studied SQL. In MySQL we have created table. So table again it's a combination of row and column. So it is just like same as table. Once we store the data in data frame, we can perform various operations. Now important thing, whatever data we can store it in data frame, we can perform in various operations, like we can perform it plus, minus. Two different data frames there, we can perform plus, minus, multiply, also perform it. So different activities we can perform it in data frame. So it is just like column, row. This is called row. And one more important thing, it is called index, the index name. And if we start or we understand the thing, data frame has access, and row index always 0 and column index 1. So one important thing, always access 0 represent row index, and access 1 index will column index. That is a very important thing, and we can remember it. Row index is called index n, and column index is called column n. It is just like similar in spreadsheet, like in Excel we have already seen. Whatever row is there, that is called row index, like in Excel 1, 2, 3, this type of given is there. And column index is column name, like A, B, C, D. We can define it. So this is called column index. Now some of the very important thing is there. Data frame contains heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means not similar type of data. Not similar type of data. And size is mutable and data is mutable. But in case of series, it is a homogeneous, and size is not mutable and data is mutable. Data or value is mutable. But in case of data frame, different types of data we can store, like heterogeneous, like different data, like alphabet, numeric, everything. Now data frame size is mutable, that means the size is mutable. This is a changeable thing. Like if we are storing 4 values, so we can store more values also, like 5 values, 6 values. So size is mutable. Data, if suppose I have given in one place 5, so I can store it in case of 5, I can replace with 6. So that is the most important thing in case of size and data. Now next is data frame can be implemented through series, very important thing, through list, numerical 2D array like NumPy, we can use it. And And scalar value, we can also perform it in data frame. Now this is the very fast program. Import pandas pd df equals to pd dot data frame df. Now very important thing here, d and f is capital. And when we print it, it will print it blank column and it will print it blank index. This index is called row and this index is called column. That is the most important. Now we come to the point. Now we can revise it. I'm opening Python and this same program we can run it. Like import panda as p1 as equals to p1 dot data frame. Data frame means data frame. Simple bracket start close and print s. This will print it. P1 is not required. Always PD is not required. You can write it PD or P1 or any other thing. So this is called empty data frame. Import pandas is PD. Yes. One more important thing. Here no module name pandas is not defined. Now one more thing, it is very important as far as your pandas is concerned. When we are saving the data, their panda should be installed. That is most important. Now how new and whatever location is there, here pandas should be installed. So how to install it? I'm just defining it how to install pandas, because in my system pandas is not installed. Intentionally I have not installed it, so that's why you understand the thing why this error is come. So how to go click on cmd command prompt for installing it. This is the location. How to find out this location? When you are saving the data, untitled. When you're saving the data in untitled, that time you can set the location. C colon user Nile save data local program. Same thing in your system. Perform. Then go to, then here cdscripts. Flowchart. Then install pip install pandas. So here pandas is installing, will take time collecting all these things. Yes. So when you install Python, pandas should be installed it. So I have explaining in this situation how to install pandas. In case of pandas, when you are installing pandas, one important thing, your internet should be on. So all the file will be downloaded from pandas. And one more thing, when we do it visualization and any other thing. So again that time matplotlib should be required. Then NumPy also required. So again I am installing same thing in this situation. How to install NumPy? Same thing. Pip install NumPy. NumPy is numerical pi. This is revising it. Previously I have already explained it. This thing how to NumPy. Now installing NumPy. Again, NumPy has already installed it. Now matplotlib. So that when we will do visualization, that time matplotlib is required. So I'm installing it matplotlib. Yes. Now I'm minimizing it. Now again the same thing. We can compile it. That program actually refresh required. Actually, a number of programs are there in this. So now I'll run it again. Yes, this is the main thing. I'll run it. So refresh. Yes, it's the empty data frame column as well as index. Empty data. So this is the most important thing. I hope the concept should be clear. Now come to the next point. Import pandas PD as equals to PD series ABCD. We can print the value ABCD. This default will print it. Again, I will use it. This program. I'll comment it, add it, and comment. Import panda as PD is equals to PD dot series. Now, how to implement it? This program we are implementing through series. Create program, create data frame program through series. Now I'll edit series PD dot series s equals to PD dot series, then df equals to PD dot data frame s and print df. Now I compile it, ABCD will print it. Now this is column index, this is row index. 0A, the value of the 0 position is A, 1 position is B, 2 position is C, 3 position is D. This is the sequence which we can maintain. So I hope this will clear it how to play a role, how to create data frame. Now dictionary of series. We can maintain dictionary and then series. So again, we can maintain it, the same program. But this is in the form of image. So I'll add it dictionary and I'll directly add it through dictionary. Import pandas as p1 name equals to p1 dot series bracket. Now we can use it Karthik and Virat. Karthik, Rajesh and Nimesh. Second, I will take it class instead of team. Class 12. Here we are creating list. 11. Class is a keyword. So I'll write it class 1. Now I'll take it dictionary equals to curly bracket, then name colon name. We can write it CL1, CLS1 and name. So name. Then CL1, CLS1 colon. Sorry. Here we are using class and CLS1. Then df equals to p1 dot data frame and dict1 and print df. Now I'll run. This is the thing. Panda SPD, series, first series, second series, list of dictionary. This is called list of dictionary. List of dictionary. Dictionary of series. Program for dictionaries of series. Next. List of dictionary. List of dictionary. In a single, you can create it. So again, the same thing we can create it in a single list. Series of dictionary. That is series of dictionary. That is list of dictionary. Same. We can create dictionary through series. Now we can create it series through list. List of dictionary. So how to create it? Again, the same program we can create it. List of dictionary. List of dictionary. Now how to create program? Input. Instead of series, you can directly create list. Dictionary, you can create a dict keyword here, then curly bracket, then name, colon Rajesh, then comma, class, colon, colon, 11. This is first, then the second. List. Second, Nilesh, 11. Now this is called list of dictionary. Because list, this is the list and dictionary we have created first value and second value. Comma we have not separated. Again the same. See difference. Series we can implement it through this way, and list we can different maintain through this. I hope the concept should be clear. Now next is item series operation. Now next is row wise count and column wise. This thing we can see later on. List we have implemented, series we have implemented, the dictionary we have implemented. We can also maintain simple list. Simple list also maintain it. Now see here import pandas p1 first list data frame edit, print. Second data frame we can directly inside the list. That means two approach. Either you can use it this approach or you can use it this approach or you can use it First create list and then edit data frame. Both are correct. And in the data frame, we can directly edit list. This is first data frame and this is second data frame. Second data frame, first. Both are implementing through list. Both have maintained through list. That is the most important thing. I hope this concept should be clear. Data frame from student list. When we are see it, this list of dictionary, so we can same thing, we can use it data one and column name. If you want to write it like this one, like if this, in this situation, the output is here, there is no column values given. Now I want to add it column name. How to edit? Data and column. Here we have maintained column, defining column name to be displayed. So how to create program student list and display column heading. Here previous program column heading is not displayed. So how to do it? Import pandas as PD P1 whatever data one equals to list, that is list of list. Raj 30 complete. 2 records is sufficient, huh? Comma need to 40. df equals to pd dot data frame data one and columns columns. Column heading we are giving name, then age. Print df. PDF is not defined. Here name. In this program only we have just differences. We are defining the column heading. That's all. And list of list we have created. So we have created list of list. We have created list of dictionary of series. We have created separate dictionary. We have created list of dictionary, series of dictionary. We can maintain it. So I think a number of things we have created. First, a very important thing, if you want to understand everything, you have to do practical. Without practical, you can't understand the things. So that is very important thing. I have explained everything in a proper manner. Series we have already created. Like series we have created. See list, then list, then list inside dictionary of list. That is called dictionary of list or list of dictionary. Separate list and list of list. Now here two series of student. Series using dictionary. Here we have taken series using list. Dictionary of series using list. And here we can create dictionary of series using dictionary. PD dot series. Curly bracket, colon, value. Here we can create age, we can take it, or marks we can take it. Colon Rajesh, then uh, marks. Two things, the two series. Colon Rajesh, name, P1 dot series. Now marks. Rajesh, colon 50 marks, comma, Ritesh, colon 40 marks. ये वो एक दोनों चाहिए, टू डायमेंशनल लिया ना marks, name and age. Here marks, marks, name and marks. And here second one is name and age. Twenty 19. ये हो गया. अब आप अपन अब now we can edit. df equals to pt डॉट डेटा फ्रेम दोनों को जोड़ लें। मार्क्स ठीक है। कॉलन एन मार्क्स NMARKS. It's a very different thing. Then name marks था ना, name is column NMAG column and print df. So it will print it. Two-dimensional array. Name and age. This is a column heading. First, we have already created this dictionary. Second base, it creates series using dictionary, and third one we create. So I hope this thing is clear. It will also give heading name is. This index is also can maintain it. So I think most of the things I have cleared. Dictionary of series, we can already created this thing. Dictionary of series. Same thing we can use it sort. Student underscore df dot sort values by marks and by marks. By default ascending. So I'll use it student df dot sort values. First print it and then again I'll print it df dot sort values. Df dot sort values by equals to by equals to simple bracket marks. So name के अकॉर्डिंग हम सॉर्ट कर, दैट इज असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. नाउ सी राजेश रितेश, हियर रितेश राजेश, नेम के अकॉर्डिंग सॉर्ट कोऑर्डिनेट नेम मतलब ये इसको हमने बेस माना। जैसे वहाँ इंडेक्स नहीं आ रहा है, इंडेक्स भी लेंगे तो आपका काम हो जाएगा। इसका जो सिंटेक्स है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम काम करते हैं, वी कैन डू इट अकॉर्डिंग टू सिंटेक्स, तो इंडेक्सिंग भी आ जाएगी। सिंटेक्स इंडेक्स, या डेटा ऑब्जेक्ट इंडेक्स रो लेवल। तो इंडेक्स के अकॉर्डिंग भी आपको बता दो, आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट टू इंडेक्स। इंडेक्स इक्वल्स टू serial number 1 2, we can maintain it so that it will clear the concept. डेटा फ्रेम में लिया ना वहाँ पे, you can create it separate program of index. Yeah, column name. We can take it index like in this situation. Student index serial number 1 2 3 4 5. So it will create its index. So this will create index. I hope this concept should be clear. And up to indexing level I have explained. In this program I'll try to explain to index also. So thank you very much. If you have any query regarding this data frame, then write it in comment box. Thank you.